Really excited to present this lovely, large, low-set home, only 100 metres stroll to the water's edge. And if you're into entertaining, what's better than this? Family harmony truly begins here with 3 living areas, 4 bedrooms, a home office, room for a caravan or boat, ducted air conditioning, solar, spectacular outdoor entertaining and a sparkling in-ground pool. The home is just a short stroll to this beautiful water's edge. All you need is your tinny, your fishing rod, the boat ramps down the road. What a lifestyle.